Welcome to Popular History, where we dive into the riveting tales of the past to uncover the stories that shaped our world. Today, we explore the unlikely and tumultuous alliance between the Roman general Julius Caesar and the Gallic chieftain Vercingetorix. Join us as we journey back to the time of conquest, intrigue, and betrayal in ancient Gaul. The story of Caesar's conquest of Gaul is one of military might and strategic genius, but within it lies a narrative often overshadowed by the glory of Rome, the story of Vercingetorix. As a young chieftain from the Arverni tribe, Vercingetorix initially fought against Caesar during the Gallic Wars. However, the tide turned when Caesar, recognizing the potential in his enemy, managed to forge an alliance with Vercingetorix to secure his objectives in Gaul. This alliance was as improbable as it was temporary. Vercingetorix, a cunning leader and fierce warrior, realized that Caesar's ambitions could be used to his own advantage. He provided Caesar with vital knowledge of the land and the tribes, which proved instrumental during several campaigns. Caesar, on the other hand, benefited from a direct line to the heart of Gallic resistance, weakening it from the inside. Yet, trust was scarce, and ultimately their union crumbled under the weight of their respective agendas. Vercingetorix, seeing his land and people suffer under the yoke of Roman oppression, turned against Caesar, uniting the Gallic tribes into a formidable force that culminated in the siege of Alesia. During this grueling encounter, Vercingetorix's newfound Gallic coalition was encircled and starved by Caesar's legions. In a final act of desperation and dignity, Vercingetorix threw his arms at Caesar's feet, surrendering to spare his people further suffering. The aftermath was significant. Although peace was restored in Gaul, the submission of Vercingetorix marked the end of Gallic independence and solidified Caesar's reputation as one of the greatest military leaders of ancient times. Yet the alliance between these two powerful figures highlighted the complex dynamics of power, loyalty, and resilience, echoing through history as a testament to the multifaceted nature of leadership and conquest. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Popular History. If you enjoyed unraveling the layers behind Caesar's conquest of Gaul and the role of Vercingetorix in shaping this pivotal moment in history, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating historical adventures. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more stories with you. Until next time, keep exploring the pages of the past and the lessons they hold for us today.